All right, Emil, I finally got everything hooked up under the hood, got all the wiring done, and got the fuel lines in. Put an electric fuel pump in just to get the fuel up to the carburetor. I don't think I need it. I think the fuel pump's working, but I have got it as a backup. I turned it over, sprayed some starter fluid in it, and it fired right up. Runs like a new one. But I haven't got any water in it, so I can't run it long. I got to do that next. So what I'll do is crank it up and let it run a second. Show you how this thing sounds. Okay, ignition. Start button.
Wow. Wow, that is that hot rod sound.
Yes,
the flathead.
Yep. And I'm going up to Moultrie the 19th of November, and I'm hunting 3 2s for it. I may buy them before I go up there, the intake, and put on it.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yeah, that'll be neat.
Yeah.
Make it really look good, and then after that, get some heads for it,
Okay.
aluminum. But tickled, I ain't got nothing to do but to put the tail lights on. And did you take pictures of the spoilers I built?
I saw one of them.
Okay. I got them both.
Oh man, now they're painted too?
Yeah, both built.
Yeah.
And I
Get
got
on the
to
right side of you here, Fred.
clean them up. But these go on the back of the car. I'll show you. I welded this tab on where I can run 2 rivets through it, but I'll show you where it goes. And
That's gonna be great looking. I really like this idea.
yeah, and then I got tail lights that go in it. Put the other one up there. Okay, that's where they'll fit on there.
Neat. That looks great. That's very cool, Fred.
Good deal. So
Yeah.
that's it.
About ready to drive it, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to bleed the brakes tonight, and once I bleed them, then all I got to do is wait on the upholstery and put the tail lights in,
Yeah.
and it's done.
Very cool.